Okay, everybody is ready? All right. So today we are going to start unit number 3, ready, steady, go. Okay. First I will just read word meanings to you. Please don't write it right now. The soft copy will be sent to you. Okay. Then you can write in your copies. So the first word is wiggle. Wiggle means move side to side. इसका मतलब है शेक करना. ओके लाइक अगर आप अपनी जैसे हाथ को शेक करते हो या फिंगर को शेक करते हो, so this called wiggle. Then the second word is flap. Flap means move up and down. Okay, when we will go to this chapter, I'll show you how to flap. Ridiculous. Ridiculous means absurd or unreasonable. Means not nice. Whispered means speak very softly. So जब आप क्लास में होते हो तो आप अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ बात करते हो ना कान में आहिस्ता से. You share your secrets with your friends. Yeah? So that is called whispering. Then ripping. Ripping means tear or split. जैसे पेपर को फाड़ना. Okay. Abhishek is saying that no voice. Everybody can hear me? Can you hear me? Please show me your thumbs up sign.
Yes, teacher.
Okay.
We are getting your voice.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, teacher. All right. So ripping means tear or split. जैसे आप पेपर फाड़ते हो, ठीक है? उसको बोलते हैं ripping. Then skipping. Skipping means hop, bounce, jump over rope. Okay? Boasting. Boasting means excessively proud. Means बहुत ज़्यादा मगरूर होना. Okay? Then cheering. Cheering means shouting for joy. Cross. Cross means, see in this chapter, cross means annoyed, means naraz hona. Otherwise, cross also means when two lines are intersecting with each other. Okay? Everybody is clear with word meanings? Show me your thumbs up. Everybody is clear with the word meanings? Okay. Okay, good. Okay, Aruj. Okay, Ali. Okay, all right. Okay, Khatija. Okay. Now I want you to focus on page 34. Page 34 on your books. Okay. So this is our new chapter, Ready, Steady, Go. So we will do the first lesson. How can we move in different ways? Okay. So today I will tell you to do a little exercise. So be ready for it. Okay. All right. Are you ready to exercise? Show me your thumbs up if you are ready. Okay. Okay. Okay, Mahira. Okay, Abiel. Okay, good. Okay, Shazan. Okay, Arifa. Okay, Hosanna. Okay, all right. So, the first exercise is read and listen. Join in and do the actions. Then look at the picture. Find the children who are doing each action. Okay, now I will say the action and you have to do it. Okay, I'm watching you guys and I want to see who will do the action. Ali Akbar, are you ready? Show me your thumbs up. Okay, okay, all right. So now clap your hands. Clap your hands. Very good. Clap your hands, Ali. Okay. Touch your nose. Touch your, touch your toes. Now stand up and touch your toes. आपको पता है toes क्या होते हैं? Very good, Husaina. Yes, stand up and touch your toes. Very good. Good job. Good job. Okay, now turn around. Stand up and turn around. Very good, Huria. Very good. Stand up and very good, Abdullah. Very good, Arifa. Good job. Okay, now flap your arms. Acha, I will tell you how to flap. If you can see the picture on your left hand side, there are two children, one boy and one girl. They are flapping. See how they are flapping. Or you can see on page 35, go to page 35. In the section of topic vocabulary, there is a girl who is flapping. So this is how you have to flap, okay? So now flap your hands. Flap your hand. No, not clap, it's flap. Flap your hands. Okay, okay, all right. Now jump up high. Jump up high. Thoda sa jump karo. Okay, very good. Good, good. That's it. That's it. Now wiggle your fingers. Just shake your fingers. Just wiggle your fingers. Good. Very good. Good job. Good job. Now I will just read out for you and you focus on page 34. See what the children are doing. Okay? Thank you very much for your cooperation. Everybody was very good. Now come to exercise 2. Get up and move day. Listen to Julia. What are the children doing? Can you wave your hands and hop on one foot and nod your head? Now I'm going to read out for you. Listen very carefully and see the picture on page 34. I will explain what the children are doing. Okay? Julia is the girl on your right hand side just at the bottom. Okay? So she is addressing to the children. It's get up and move day at our school. Moving is good for us. It keeps our bodies healthy and strong. We are moving in lots of different ways. Those two children are having a duck race. They are flapping their arms and walking like ducks. If you can see on page 34, on your left hand side, there is a boy and a girl who are walking like ducks. Okay? They are flapping their hands. The boy over there is jumping very high. He is trying to reach the balloon. If you can see on this page 34, on the left hand side where the tree is and the balloon is hanging. And the boy is jumping high to reach it. Can you see that? Show me your thumbs up. Can you see that boy who is trying to reach the balloon? Okay, okay, Biel. Okay, Anmol. Okay, Serene. Okay, Ali. Okay, Daud. All right. Okay. Now, these children are playing a game. Listen to them. Child 1, wave your hands. Can you wave your hands? Can you wave? Just wave your hand. Just wave your hand. Very good. Good. Good job. Good job. We are waving our hands. We are waving our hands and hopping on one foot. Now they are the children standing with 3 boards. Wave your hands, hop on one foot, nod your head. In front of them, there are 3 children who are doing these three activities at the same time. Wave your hand, hop on one foot, and nod your head. Now wave is, you know what is wave. What is hop? Hop means when you jump on one leg. जब आप एक टांग पे jump करते हो, that is called hop. आपने kangaroo देखा है? Have you seen a kangaroo? Kangaroo doesn't walk, it hops. Okay? Now, nod your head. Nod your head means sar hilana. Nod your head. Sar hilao apna sare. Everybody nod your head. Yeah, up and down, up and down. Very good. This is called nodding your head. Okay? So, these three children, they are doing this activity at the same time. Wave your head, hop on one foot, and nod your head. Children 2, 3, we are waving our hands, hopping on one foot, and nodding our heads. Now, child number 6, if you see on your books on page 34, there is one child who is falling over. Yeah? Can you see that child who is falling over? Show me your thumbs up. See page 34. There is a boy who is falling over. Yes, Harrison. Good. Okay. All right. Okay, Jan. Okay. Okay, good. So now Julia, she's addressing to the students. Well done, everyone. Okay, it's your turn now. Can you wave your hand, hop on one foot, and nod your head? Now, you can try it at home, okay? If you can wave your hand, hop on one foot, and nod your head at one time, okay? All right? Now, come to page 35. Page 35. See, in exercise 3, topic vocabulary, all actions are there. Wave, stand, hop, fall, flap, wiggle, nod. Okay? Everybody can see the actions? Show me your thumbs up. All of you can see the actions? Very good. All of you know what is flapping? Okay, okay, all right. Now come to exercise 4. Say it and do it. Give your partner 3 instructions using one word from each box. Can your partner do all 3 actions at the same time? Now you can practice this at home. Play it with your brothers and sisters. Okay? Clap, wave, shake your hands. See if they can do it at one time. Tap, hop on, stand on one foot. Nod, shake, roll your head. Okay? So this exercise, take it as homework and you can do it with your friends or with your brothers and sisters. Okay? Now, come to exercise 5. Counting to 20. Now, I want someone to count from 1 to 20 slowly. Can anybody count 1 to 20 slowly? Okay, Abdullah, you will count? Abdullah, you will count? Okay. So I will unmute you. Okay, okay. Abdullah, you have to count. Yeah, very slowly, very slowly. Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Very good, Abdullah. Thank you very much. Now, I want someone to count for 1 to 20 very, very quickly. Ali, can you do it? Okay. Huria, can you do it? Okay. I will unmute you. Okay, Huria. You have to count very quickly, okay?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Very good. Excellent. Thank you so much. Thank you. So, this was a little exercise. Now we will move on to grammar portion. See, all that we did, all the actions that we did on page 34 and 35, they all are verbs. Everybody knows about verb. What is a verb? A verb is an action word. A verb is a word that shows actions. Okay, for example, look here, jumping girl. So jumping is a verb. The baby sleeps. Sleep is also a verb. A man eat a burger. So eats is a verb. Who likes to eat burger? Show me your thumbs up. Who likes to eat burger? Yeah, everybody likes to eat burger, yeah? Okay, okay, all right. So we will move on to the next slide. As I told you, a verb is an action word. Okay, action words from page 34-35. Now see this. Wave, stand on, hop on, flap, wiggle, nod, roll, shake, clap, touch, turn around, jump, tap, put. So these all are action words. These are verbs from page 34 and 35. Come to the next slide. Adverbs. Now what is an adverb? An adverb is a word which modifies the meaning of a verb. So just now I told Abdullah and Huria to count from 1 to 20 slowly, and I told Huria to count it quickly. All right, so slowly and quickly are the adverbs. Okay. For example, the adverbs slowly, quickly, briskly can be used to describe the verb walk. Walk slowly, walk quickly, walk briskly. Everybody got it? Have you got the meaning of adverb? Show me your thumbs up. I want to see your thumbs up if you are clear. Okay, okay, Harrison. Okay, Daud. Okay, Arifa. Okay. Okay, okay. So we will move on to the next slide now. Adjectives. An adjective is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun. For example, Jane is a clever girl. So clever is an adjective and it describes Jane. Okay? So what is an adjective? Adjective is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun. What is a noun? Jane is noun. Okay? If we say she is a clever girl, she will be pronoun. Okay? And clever is the adjectives because it is telling something about Jane. Okay? Everybody got it? Show me your thumbs up, please, if you have got this. Okay. Okay, all right. Okay, Ayan. Okay, Daud. Okay, all right. Okay, Shazain. Okay, Huria. Okay, now we will come to the next slide. which is your homework. What can you do with your hands? Okay, so you have to write 2 answers and you have to think, what can you do with your hands? Okay, is everybody clear? This is your homework for today. Okay, now I am going to take your attendance. All right, and I want you guys to give me a good, a nice, bright smile so that I can take your attendance. Okay? If you have any questions, please